Hello and welcome to the workshop. Today we're going to be doing the insulation. That's arrived, it's over there. Put it in the ceiling and in the walls, and we've got all the plasterboard for the ceiling and for the walls, but my main focus is to get the insulation and the cables run and the ceiling in. I'm not worried about putting plasterboard on the walls today. That can come at a later stage, maybe tomorrow, if I feel like it. So that is the plan for today, yeah, we'll see how it all goes. I'm going to be filming it. So obviously I've been doing some filming. I'm going to just sit down for a minute. I've been doing some filming, and the sped up sections that you've seen have been actually courtesy of one of these small cameras. This is a Crosstour 1080p action cam. Now, I was so impressed with the footage of this that I actually went and bought a bunch more. Okay, so I got 3 more of these. Now these are the 4K versions, but they do the 1080p as well. The original camera is about £30, the first Crosstour that I had, and that was the first time that I used it on this project. So yeah, very impressed with it. So I went and bought the others. They were only $33.99. So we'll see how that footage turns out. Hopefully get multiple angles of what we're doing here today. Yeah, so I think for £33 they're not bad. You put a 32 gig card in them, and that 32 gig card usually gives you around 3.5 hours of filming. On the 4K I can get a lot more out of the 1080p, obviously a different compression ratio or something. So we'll see how those go. So let's crack on with the build. Okay, so today's lesson is to wear safety goggles. This was caused by drilling a hole over there. I didn't wear safety goggles. Bits sawdust got in my eye, irritated my eye, and I've got an abrasion on my eye now. So that's put the project back. Can't finish off anymore this weekend. Probably gonna have to continue next weekend. It's going to take at least 72 hours for this to repair itself. Had to go to A&E. So yeah, we have managed to get the cables run for the lights and the sockets, and we did start doing some of the insulation, but this became a bit too painful. I thought there was something in it, so we thought we'd better go to A&E. So we went there and they put drops in it and other things, and yeah, it turns out I've got an abrasion. So there you go, kids. Wear your safety glasses at all times, even if you think you don't need them. So this is the end of this video. Please subscribe to the video. It helps me create more content and buy safety equipment. Alright, see you next time.